Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Migano's World. Welcome to my world. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. So it's a very beautiful sunny Monday here in Cape Town, and I woke up and I was like, you know what, let me take you guys into like a few days in my life. As you might have seen from the title of the video, this video, you guys will just be spending the whole week with me, see what I will be getting up to. I just want to let you guys a little bit into my life, so I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So I've decided I realized that I was doing a lot of sit down videos, and then I decided to, you know, like incorporate vlogs into my videos as well. So right now I'm just getting ready to go to work. I'm going to work, and you guys are definitely gonna come with me. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Place is set up in a way that I have my own office. Like every day I look forward to coming to work because I just know that baby girl has her own office. Like I still can't believe it. Like it makes me feel so fancy. Like it makes me feel like, you know what, I've got this, you know, I'm in control. So I'm gonna show you guys my office in a minute. The reason why I'm whispering is because I don't want to make noise. Like some of you, like people can hear what's happening in my office. I don't know where the logic about that is coming from, because, well, I know they can see me for sure because the walls are glass. But yeah, I just feel like they can hear me too. I don't want to be heard, you know. I don't want them to think I just came here for content, because I came here to learn and take content for you guys as well. So let me show you the office in a minute. Yellow. So today I'm starting with a very new and different project to what I've been doing over the past few months. I'm so very excited about that, but I won't take you guys with me because of confidentiality and everything. Yeah, I won't take you guys with me where I'm going, but you can see Moose. You see Moose. I think this is enough. This is enough. I'm gonna show you so many interesting places in this place, but later during the day, because now I want to work. Yeah? I love you guys. The lighting is so terrible in here, but I just wanted to show you guys how we look today. I don't know why the lighting is like this, like why it looks like this, but anyways, guys, I am having a productive day, and I'm happy about that. So I think I'll see you guys around lunchtime. Yeah, probably around lunchtime. For now, bye. Let me go back to work. So I'm done eating my lunch, and I just came to check in with you guys. I mean, I'm so full, and as you can see, the cover is misbehaving. It's really misbehaving. So I'm gonna go back to work now. Going back to work, and we will catch up later. So guys, now it's the end of the day. It's around 5:20, 5:30, and I've decided to stick around because there's a gym and I just want to work out a little bit, maybe until 6:30, and then from after that, I'll just go back to my place. So yeah, here I'm in the bathroom. I just want to change into something more comfortable. Yes, so I've changed, and now I want to go and work out and go and work out.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe.
Guys, I'm done with my workout, but honestly speaking, between me and you guys, I didn't do anything today. You know what I'm gonna do? Mostly because I didn't know what to do with all this stuff. But it's a good thing that I was here all alone. Imagine if there was someone and I was just struggling. Like I was saying, guys, between me and you guys, I really didn't do much because I didn't know what to do with all this stuff. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back to my place tonight, watch a lot of videos because I do have body goals. I know I want to gain muscles, but I know exactly where I want to gain the muscles, but I don't know what exercises to do, so and what meals to eat. So I'm just gonna probably properly plan this and make sure that tomorrow when I come I'm ready. I'm just glad that at this time I'm usually the only one in the gym, so it's a good thing because I can experiment with different stuff alone without fear of being judged or whatever. But that's it for today, guys. I'm going back to my place now, so I will definitely see you guys when I get to. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today is a new and beautiful day. It's a Tuesday, sunny day. I like how Cape Town's weather has been since Monday. It's just been sunny. It's refreshing because it's been raining for a very long time. So you guys are still going to work with me, guys. This work thing happens every day, so you're still going to work with me, guys. But today I'm gonna come back a bit earlier because I have classes to attend, so it's gonna be a half day for me. So without wasting any time, guys, yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I just came to check in with you guys and just tell you how my day is going. So far my day is going well. Yeah, it's really going well. Having a productive day. I'm gonna go ahead and have lunch very soon. I'll show you the food, but I won't show you like me eating the lunch because I don't eat alone. So yeah, and then after that I think I'm gonna knock off really early today because I have to go and attend my classes, and I prefer attending them at home and not here at work. So I'll see you guys in. Guys, today I've decided that I won't eat at the canteen because they're serving soup, like some weird soup. Let me not be loud because I'm afraid the person who prepared the food might hear me. But yeah, I'm not eating that. I have rice and some stew back at my place, so I'm gonna have to knock off early and go eat that because I'm way too hungry and I need real food. Like I don't need with chicken soup, like I need food. Do you know what's the most amazing feeling in the world? Coming back from work, when you know that you've done your work for the day, you worked out as well. Now you just take a very warm shower, you know, have your nice meal, cook it if you have the time to cook, or if you're someone like me who makes meal preps, you have your food ready. You just get into your pajamas, you just have your chamomile tea, and you just sleep. It's so refreshing, so amazing. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just doing my skin care routine stuff before I go into my pajamas and probably eat, then drink my tea. So it's a norm. I love chamomile tea. It helps me to have like better quality of sleep. Then after that, I'm gonna have to study today. Like I have to study. It's a must. I have to study, girl. Whatever means I but I have to study, and then I will sleep. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today is a beautiful Saturday. It's not as sunny as it was with other days in this week, but today I'm gonna be doing something really exciting, guys. I'm going to a yacht club for sailing with some of my friends, and I am gracing and believing that it's gonna be so much fun. So without wasting time, let us go. guys, it's a beautiful day and we're about to go sailing. I'm so excited. I've never done it before, so I'm looking forward to it. I feel really relaxed, guys. But it was a nice experience.